Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Kid Goku step by step. So let's start. Okay, the first thing we have to do is drawing a circle. This circle, we have to divide this circle with two lines, a horizontal one and a vertical one. Now let's draw the next line here below, and D is the space of the eyes. Now for the torso, we only have to draw this shape. This shape has the same distance as the oval. Okay, now let's make the figure to the arms. If you pay attention, I just using simple shape, easy shape, and that is a nice guide to understand how to drawing. Okay, let me add some detail in the face. Now the ear, the nose and the mouth, and in this case the eyes don't have to be equal because that gives more expression to Kid Goku. And now the eyebrows. Here I wanna reduce the fist because I was thinking it's too large. And now let me add some detail to the chest. This line is gonna be for the lock of hair. Pay attention about the lock of hair because it's really important in Goku characters. Of course, if you are Nappa, Krillin, doesn't matter. Okay, let's continue. If you want, you can pause this video and watch closely how the lock of hair is grown up. Now, I always draw in this base and now add the lock of hair. Here we have 3 lock of hair. And here we have 4. First, start drawing this line that helps you a lot. Now it's time to add some detail about the clothes. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a nice like, follow me in Instagram, they're gonna be appear here, and don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel, that helped me a lot. Now it's time to the fist, the first fist. Like you see, I using simple shape, like I told you before. Now the fingers, the first finger is wide than the others. That looked perfect. And yep, I forget the second fist. Don't kill me, please. And now the Goku Kid Tail, the Kid Goku Tail. Some detail, and it's time to the line art. All the material I use in my video gonna be in the description below. Yeah, I know I have to draw in the second feet. Doesn't matter, relax. For the second fist, just using shape, like always. Okay, you understand. The first one. Now, the second one. You understand now. And continue in the liner. And here, guys, we have our Kid Goku drawing step by step. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a nice like. Don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel and see you next time. Bye bye.